Bentley has announced the final end of production of the iconic W12 engines, which first appeared on cars of the British brand back in 2003. In total, more than 100,000 of these engines have been produced during this time. Bentley calls it the most successful engine of this type in the world. It is already known that the company will replace the unit with a hybrid power plant, surpassing the W12 in terms of power and efficiency. The first generation of the engine, which is essentially two V6 connected together with a small camber angle, produced 552 horsepower. During production, Bentley increased the engine power by 34% and the amount of thrust increased by 54%, while simultaneously reducing harmful emissions by a quarter. With this engine, Bentley set several speed records. For example, in 2007, Juha Kankkunen achieved the highest speed on ice in a Continental GT, and in 2018, Reese Millen became the fastest in the production SUV category at Pikes Peak, driving a Bentley Bentayga. Each engine was assembled by hand in Crewe. It took about 7 hours, since the engine consists of about 2.6 thousand individual components. A replacement for the 6-litre W12 will debut with the new generation Continental GT. This is a hybrid power plant based on the V8, developing up to 782 HP and 1,000 forces. It was also used by Porsche on the flagship modification of the Panamera model.